Why is my furnace blower always running? Your blower is likely stuck on continuous mode because the fan switch on your thermostat is set to on instead of auto. Or your control board has a stuck relay that keeps signaling the fan to run even when there's no heating happening. Think of your furnace blower like a big fan that pushes warm air through your house. Normally, that fan only turns on when your furnace is actually making heat, and it shuts off once your home reaches the temperature you want. But if your thermostat fan setting is flipped to on, the blower will run non-stop all day and all night, even when no heat is being made. Here's something most people don't know. That constant running fan can actually push cooler air through your vents, making your house feel drafty even though your furnace isn't broken at all. It's simply blowing air around without producing warmth. Another hidden cause is a faulty limit switch, which is a small safety part that tells the blower when to turn on and off based on the temperature inside the furnace. If that switch gets stuck, the blower keeps running no matter what. The fix is usually simple, so check your thermostat fan setting first before assuming something bigger is wrong. One common mistake is assuming a constantly running blower means your whole furnace is broken, when really it's often just one small switch or setting causing the issue. Always check your thermostat's fan setting first, since that solves the problem more often than people expect. Another misconception is ignoring dirty air filters, which can trick the system into thinking it needs to keep running to push air through a clogged filter. Changing your filter every 1 to 3 months can prevent this. Lastly, many homeowners don't realize that a failing control board can also cause this issue, and it usually requires a trained technician instead of a do-it-yourself fix. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.